So now coming to the last part of the chapter, we have come to know that Bright has become a scientist, developed the idea of DNA, presented in the paperwork also. He is not only an intellectual or a scientist, he is a great debater, a speaker, orator, you can say, a canoeist, an all-rounder he was. So he was a good expert photographer also. He used to get the nice pics. In his high school, Richard Bright was a student. He was simply a student because learning was easy. He turned a lot of his energy towards the debating and models United Nations Club. He also found someone to admire, Richard Wearer, as his social science teacher. There he got a social studies teacher who really admired and praised. Advisor to both clubs, Mr. Wearer was the perfect person for me then. He said that he was the perfect man, a good guide for me at that time. He opened my mind to the new ideas. He gave me the new path, the new way to think over. Wright himself says Richard would always give that extra effort. Mr. Warrior said that what pleased me was here was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night doing debate research besides doing all his research with butterflies and his other interests. Richard was competitive. It was the comment given by Mr. Wearer, his admirer, his social science teacher. He really says that Richard was really competitive. He wants to be in competition. It's not for the sake of winning only to get the prize, but not in the bad sense. He was a positive competitor. He explained Richard wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake only or winning to get a prize, to stand first, second, or third. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job he could. Why he was winning all the places every time? Because he wanted to learn out of that. He wanted to be the best. He wanted to prove himself to be the best, not to get the prize only for the right reasons. He wants to be the best, and that is one of the ingredients. Ingredient means a special component, a part in making of a scientist. If the person who is competitive is the one of the most important ingredients, most important part in making of a scientist, start with the first rate mind, add curiosity. That's the only way how one can be a scientist, an expert, that you should have a first rate mind, a fresh mind to start with, and add curiosity in that. You should be curious to know the things, to explore the world in front of you, and mix in the will to win for the right reason. And then put your best efforts, mix the willpower to win for the right reason. Whatever you are going to prove, it should be for the benefit of the society. A Bright has these qualities. All these qualities, you can underline all these points, that he was a good debater, a canoeist, he was a researcher, he was a photographer, he was an all-round person, you can say. If you get a question on the character sketch, you can mention all these things. He had a first-rate mind but full of curiosity. He mixed his will to win for the best of the society. So all these were the qualities in a Bright. From the time the book The Travel of the Monarch 10 opened the world of science to him, Richard has never lost his scientific curiosity. And you can say the credit goes to his mother also, who has presented him this book, The Travels of Monarch 10, or who has given the ideas to the son to come forward and explore the world. Also give the credit to the mother to do the best, being the single parent, whatever she could do to make him a perfect scientist. So this was all about the story of how a Bright became a scientist. Whatever you need to prove yourself is your willpower, your knowledge, your mind, your efforts, and the not forgetting the curiosity to do something. The determination is the key point to be successful in life. Thank you.